Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's cab mount bolt and bushing, and begin cutting away the factory mount. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Mark off the remaining silhouette to help with the alignment during installation. Tack weld the part to the frame and confirm its alignment. Completely weld the part around all edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer to help prevent against further rust development. And you're done.